Go ahead and shut your door. You want the rundown?
Yeah,
Window up.
Okay.
So we 8 Sddns on 4 Ruthless 10Ks, wired to a 1/4 ohm, 600 amp hour C-Max, Jakar build, Brand X 400, 3 of them.
And y'all drive this thing?
We drove this from Kansas City down here, yes sir. Fresh build, 6.0, 4L80 swap.
Oh man.
Use the intro. Stop. Back to your normal radio station.
Ooh, Lord. This thing got a cam in it, right?
Yeah, stage 2, sloppy stage 2. Yeah, that's why it's not one to idle right now.
Y'all racing it and beating it out.
It's a lot different than last time you seen it, huh? Hey, when I shut that door, that wind came in. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, that's the only reason why I rolled down his window so I can get what we saw.
Yeah. Gotta cool them off now.
I just ain't been paying attention. And I smell something, but it ain't. It can't be in here. But you smell it?
I can't smell that.
I smell something, but I don't think it's in here.
You know what I'm saying? I can't smell it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Way different monster than last
Yeah, that's
time.
way different, man. How many Ruthless amps did y'all have at first?
8.
It was
Whenever,
still 8.
yeah, but right now there's 4 of them at a 1/4 ohm.
Okay.
So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 versus a 10K per.
Okay, that's what was going on last time, right?
No, they were wired to 2 ohm last time.
Okay. Oh, okay, y'all wired up then.
Yeah, because the NSBs are
Yeah.
popping them.
Yep. I have ESB, did.
Yeah, because we popped one Sunday morning.
Yeah. Hey, y'all play strong this first day.
Oh yeah, we played strong today if I can keep this thing charged. Running.
The problem I'm having, everybody having them problems. The guy next to me, he having the same problem. So I guess it's everybody's problem.
Yeah.
Let them know where they can find y'all at, man.
Charles Smith on Facebook, Austin Burton, or Louder Than Your Mom Audio on Facebook.
Y'all be sure to give them a follow. I'm going to tag them down below. Good seeing y'all again,
Thank
bro.
you.
I'm going to leave that with y'all.
Oh yeah, we
Yes,
floated
sir.
it.
Yes,
Outside
sir.
handle.
Okay.
You go to Jesse's truck yet? The blue Silverado?
Not yet.
Yeah, the blue. Let's see if
He ain't in there yet.
oh, I can go over there.
I haven't seen him yet.
Everyone thinks he looks like, you know what Gately looks
Y'all know
like?
what you're talking about?
He looks like Gately. That's what everyone says to me.
Hey, well, he parked right across from me. I'm sure I'll catch him back over there in a minute.
For sure.
Doing better this time than
Yes,
last
he
time.
is. Hey, I can feel it, boy. That thing brutal in there this time.
Back in the float now, buddy.